Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you how to activate your BG Cash Wallet so you can start managing your digital asset and earning rewards. BG Cash Wallet is a licensed crypto application that makes it easy for anyone to enter the world of finance, and today I will guide you through the entire setup process from start to finish. The first thing you need to do is download the application. You can find the official link on the Softonic website or search for it in your mobile app store. Once the download is complete, tap the install button and wait for the app to appear on your home screen. When you open the app for the first time, you will be greeted by a welcome screen that explains the basic features of the wallet. To begin the activation process, click on the button that says Create an account or sign up. You will need to provide some basic information such as your full name and a valid email address. It is very important that you use an email you have active access because the activation link will be sent directly there. After you fill in your details, choose a strong password that includes letters and symbols to keep your account secure. Once you hit submit, go over to your email inbox. Look for a message from the BG Cash Wallet team. Inside that email, you will find an activation button or a unique 6-digit code. If you see a button, click it to verify your account. If you see a code, go back to the app and type those numbers into the verification box. This step is essential to prove that you are a real user and to